OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW, OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
We are back! Hello!
This way, okay.
Follow the party.
Hello! So we have made it back to our cabin.
And I have a surprise for you.
What do you mean?
I did a thing.
What you do, girl?
I did a thing.
What you do?
Welcome to our humble abode.
Yo, whoa, wait, this don't look like the last room.
No, it's not like the last room.
Yo, are you serious? Are you serious? Stop playing. Are you? No. Are you sick?
I did a thing.
Are you? What did you do? Are you serious? Yo. That's like a whole record player. What? This is the Rockstar. Yo. You play. Yo. You play. Yo. I don't even know what it. I am speechless.
Merry Christmas.
You have completely outdone yourself. Yeah, I don't even know what to.
Merry Christmas.
This woman here, I'm ready to go back and show the little stuff we missed in the last sea terrace, and I walk in, I'm like, wait a minute, this room don't look the.
This is
when did you do this?
I did this a while back.
Yo, like it's got the little see-through bathroom thing, man.
The kids and I had this surprise way back when. So yeah.
Oh man, you.
Oh.
Rockstar, for real?
Rockstar.
Yo.
We gotta be a little bougie.
Yo, look at the surround sound view.
Yes.
Popping up. The bar.
The bar. We have a bar.
Sunday sip is gonna be real today.
Yes.
Whew, we'll be back.
Welcome to our cabin. We are in cabin 12249Z on Scarlet Lady. It is a seriously sweet suite. First, coming in, we are hit with the beautiful view of this, how large this cabin really is compared to the sea terrace. This is one of the Rockstar Suites. You're welcomed with these lights that are gorgeous, lots of gold bling trim. Vanity mirror here with water, which we are now scared to drink out of the glasses from our friends Rich and Jazzy. But this is like a vanity area or desk area that is available. Complete with a little poof chair. Large screen TV that swivels so that you can watch from bed or from the chair. One of the main reasons why I wanted this cabin was for my bartender at heart husband over there. We got the full bar, complete with vodka, gin, our favorite reposado tequila, and some Johnny Walker Scotch whiskey. Not only does it come with all the liquor here, it also comes with the mini bar below, filled with some chilled champagnes, some sodas, some beers, some Red Bull, because you also get all these wonderful accoutrements for mixing of those cocktails or having of that reposado on ice, as Terry likes to have. I think that's pretty cool. Another cool thing, and I love that everything is soft close. Another thing that Terry was really stoked about when we first heard about the suites having these was we get a selection of albums and our very own record player so he could get his mix on at night. We got some Mark Ronson, the Spice Girls, but I'm sure that we can request, whoa, Guns N' Roses. We can request some Pharrell, some other albums. I believe we are able to do that so that we have our own little selection. Sitting chair. One of my favorite things is this fabulous closet that lights up when you open the doors. Got shoe shelves on the bottom. Plenty of space in here for 2 people. Plus this side with more shelving and drawers and your safe. And our towels for the beach club at Bimini, which we also get a special access to. The big giant bed, very comfy. We slept very well on the sea terrace bed, so I'm assuming we'll sleep very well on this one. Behind me, that is the shower, y'all. A see-through shower, or as I call it, the peekaboo shower. To see into the bathroom, that's where we're headed next. Now, if you saw our other room tour from our first time on Scarlet, link will be up here somewhere. You saw that the bathroom was dang near microscopic. This one is the complete opposite. You open the door and you already get a full-length mirror. And come on in. Look at this bathroom, y'all. This is the shower. Complete rain head shower with a seat. You got a sprayer, you got smell goods. And yes, this is marble. How bougie and fancy are we? You got the chromatic glass that changes colors as the day goes by. This is your toilet. Nothing's fancy. It's a toilet, but it's a lot of space for a toilet. You're not bumping your knees on the door. And then you have this huge double sink here. So both of us could use the bathroom at the same time to get ready. Look how beautiful. Love it. And it comes with our Rockstar robes to wear all over the ship if we want to. The pièce de résistance to any Virgin Voyages sea terrace or suite is their balcony. The Seriously Suite comes with a big extended terrace. So not only do we have space for 2 chairs and a table this time, way over here we have what every sea terrace or balcony on Scarlet has, is a wonderful hammock to sit and enjoy in. We're gonna use this one this time. So, did you like your surprise, sir?
Yes, Lord, I did. You got me. You got me.
Y'all don't know how hard it is to keep a surprise from this man. He questions everything. So, for me to keep a surprise from him was really, really, really hard. Surprise! Merry Christmas! What you doing, babe?
Hey, man. I'm doing what I do, because this is what I does. Hold on.
What? You just couldn't wait, could you?
Man, come on.
You couldn't wait, could you? We trying to unpack. So what did you just discover?
I figured out, well, I didn't figure out. It happened by mistake because I kicked the side of the bed because I thought I could just slide my bag up under here, but there is actual storage under the bed.
Under the
In the
bed?
sea terrace that we were in, we found out that there was storage, but we didn't get a chance to put that in the video. But if you come look closer, this was closed like this, right?
Oh, and it just looks like the side of the bed.
And then when you open it up, you've got space now
for
to put
our suitcases. Like it's what's the overhead bin for the airplane.
So there is a little tip if you're in one of the
seriously sweet
suites. And the little white part under the bed and the sea terraces also pull out, so you've got extra storage there. So
yeah,
who knows what else?
Drawer.
Who knows what else we may find going on up in here?
Wow.
This room is dope. Dope.
So this is how your room looks when you come in and it's nighttime. The room is already set to the mood lighting, and look at your bed turn down service. Isn't it pretty, y'all? The perks of having a balcony on this type of cruise is that you get this gorgeous view, and look at this moon, guys. How beautiful is that? Okay, so we haven't been doing much talking because we've been exploring the ship again. After doing that live with you all, we went and did some more exploring around, and we got Terry booked for his tattoo session. But right now we are at Wake for dinner, and we are looking at the menu, and a lot of it looks really, really good. We don't know exactly what we're gonna get, but I'm thinking lamb chops, and Terry's thinking maybe the filet. Maybe.
What is this?
Ooh.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with bread. Can't go wrong with bread.
Insert Oprah moment.
So, we're gonna take a look at the menu. We'll show you what we get later.
Alright, so I'm going to do something a little bit different tonight. I am having the bone marrow, and it is having
clam chowder and a wedge salad. Alright, I got the cutest little lamb chops served with a side of steak fries. It looks so yummy. And I got bone marrow béarnaise sauce, which is next to your, what, cream spinach?
cream spinach.
And you got the filet mignon?
Yes.
And we think it's hilarious that they serve each person a whole head of roasted garlic. That's a lot of garlic on the chip.